Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to hide likes on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to hide likes on Thread app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to hide likes on Thread app. So today I am going to show you how to hide likes on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding likes on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will hide likes on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And now look at this post and how many people likes them. Now first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and in this new screen click on menu icon in the right top corner, and now click on privacy and then click on hide likes, and it will redirect to your Instagram profile. And now click on toggle button to turn it on, and it also applies on Instagram also. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide likes on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.